Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my organization. Today I am going to show you my small fish farm outside my house. This is a guppy farm, as you can see. There has been a storm here for last 3 days, so you can see the destruction what happened here. The storm caused this. So first I show you my farm. If you see here a lot of guppy fry, mixed guppy fry, also have molly and platy fry. Here I have some mixed guppy, molly and black molly and platy, red platy. Okay, this is my fish food. I want to show you. Okay, this one. This is very good for fish health, also for adult fish and fish fry. I put it here. Okay, this is my little platinum tank. Here a lot of fry here, as you can see. Only 3-piece little platinum and more than 50 babies here. They are hiding, so you can't see them now. Only fries here. This is fries hiding place. This one and this one and this one. Okay, now this one I have Thai guppy. Here a lot of fish, lot of Thai. This one my air pump, 2 nozzle output. I show it before you unboxing. You can see the video, those videos. And the last tank. Sorry. Now it's time for my beautiful fish. It's Santa Claus. These are babies. This is male, adult male, and red one male and white one are females. Here no air pumps, only fish and some floating plants. This is hornot, this is frogweed, and some local we call it pana. Okay friends, that's it. Please comment below if you like this setup. If any suggestion, please comment. I will improve my setups. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?